Well, that's fine and dandy, but you really want to check your diagonals. Keep going on about diagonals, don't I? But so the way to check this wall is in the correct spot is, so I measure from the edge of that wall there down to the end of this piece of wall. So I measure from there to there, and on this side I do the same. I measure from there and I put a point in there. It's actually a screw I've got in there. So I now know that that screw is exactly the same distance from the wall as that end of the wall is from that wall. So you can see we've got a thing. So now the diagonals should match. So I've put a couple of tape measures out here. Let's have a check here. Oi. So, oi, it fell over there. So this one is ringing in at, what we on, 43 and around about 43 and a bit. 43 and a bit, and if we go over this side to the edge of this wall, we should be hitting, if we're accurate, around about the same. So on this side we're getting what? Again, we're hitting 43 and a bit. So we've got a diagonally, which means that you don't even need to measure across there to there. We know that it's straight because it's diagonally correct. And that's a quick way of doing it. Oh, I'll show you this. This here. You see I've got a screw where this wall starts and in the edge there. I mean, yeah, within a couple of mil. And one there, same place roughly. And it gives you a diagonal. I mean, it doesn't have to be to the millimetre, but you know, basically they should be hitting the same spots as best you can. That's how you take a diagonal. And of course, when I fit in this next piece of wall there, eventually, I can measure where it ends there and where it ends here, and I can run the tapes, one to there, and check the diagonal again, and that wall should be perfectly in line along with that string there. So way of checking your diagonals means that when you come to do your room, your flooring, whatever, you're not messing with strange angles on the flooring. You've got 90 degree. I mean, I haven't checked this, and honestly I haven't checked this. So well, I don't know where my quick square is. I've lost it. I can see the little one, but I can't see my big set square. Oh, there it is. It's over there. So I'll get my bigger one. It's a better one.